Wow. It's been over a week since I've posted. Okay, yep, gotta record a video. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an online player placement service in Scratch. So let's begin. First, you're gonna make a cloud variable and call it slot1. Let me do all caps. Alright, slot1. Slot2, another cloud variable. Then slot3. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a more efficient way to do this, but this is just how I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to do, no, we'll just keep it at that for now. So make a sprite and call it players. Okay. We're going to make a custom and call it self. And just make a little cube that is blue. So, something that looks good a little later. Okay. I don't think we need an outline. Okay, so duplicate and call it online. Okay. So right above the self, we'll do little arrow. So like this. Okay. Ready. And then you. Okay, almost done. That should work. Okay. So when green flag clicked, we're gonna do position online role. When without screen refresh is ticked on, then we need a setup block. And never mind, we don't need a setup. So first thing we're going to check for is if else. We're going to need two ands. 3 equals. And in the right side of all of the equals is you put 1. Actually, we'll rename these to P1, P2, P3. This should work if I'm right. So if P1, P2, actually we'll do greater than signs, and this will make it just easier for us to check. P1 is greater than 50, P2 is greater than, we'll do greater than 0. And if P3 is greater than 0, and broadcast server full. Okay, then server empty. Okay, so here we're going to check if, okay, I'll need 3 less operators, less than. And each we put 1. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, then broadcast server empty, and then set P1 to we'll actually broadcast start text like this. Broadcast server empty and wait, and broadcast start ticks. We'll do this down here. Okay, then we'll need to stop all when I receive start ticks. Then sorry, I'll just do broadcast here. Broadcast server empty. Then we'll ask. Okay, just say server is empty. Would you like to spectate the current server? Okay. Alrighty, and if else, and then another if else. Answer is equal to, so we'll need an answer block, 2 actually. If answer is equal to yes, and the answer is equal to no, then broadcast spectate match. And then here we just do stop all. And then else, then ask an error has occurred. The project will now shut down. Okay. Occurred. Okay. And then stop all. Okay. Alright, so now let's begin the checks for just in specific. Okay, if else to, oh shoot, we need greater than. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, yeah, that should work. P1 is greater than 0. Oh, no, we do need, okay, if P1 is greater than 0, and then, okay, set P1 to 1, and then broadcast. Oh yeah, it already has start ticks, so then, oop, no. Duplicate 2 and 3. Okay. Start ticks. So forever, broadcast. No, we'll do tick player. First and foremost, this should I'll show you how it works. It should work. Okay, when I join servers empty. No, shoot. Alright, set P1 to 1. Servers empty. No, that should be, no. Set P1 to 1. Okay, then click it, okay, until it's full, and then you get the server full thing where it just shuts off the project. We'll need to broadcast and wait here. And then we'll make it so that, since I'm a developer, reset server. Alright, set P1, P2, P3, to 0, and then set, we'll make a new cloud variable and call it server shut down. Alrighty. Let's set server shutdown to 1. Okay. Alrighty. If else username is equal to, so username is equal to, and you need to put right over here your username. So in my case, and you can see your username, I'm hoping you didn't forget, up here in the corner. Okay, so if username is equal to whatever your username is, and since you're gonna ask reset server or play the game. Okay, and if else, if answer equals answer equals play, else if answer equals reset server, else then stop all, reset server. Okay, that's another stop all. Alright, so if yes is reset server, okay, if play, then position online role. Else, then just position the online role. Okay. So, it's looking like a huge mess so far. Okay, I've only been recording for 12 minutes, 50 seconds. That's alright. Okay, everything's looking good. So let's test it out. Reset server. I'm going to do reset server. Okay, alrighty. Then we'll do in here forever, then track server shut down. And without screen refresh. If server shutdown is greater than 0, then events broadcast server shut down, and then I'll do broadcast and wait, actually. Server shut down, and then stop all. So I think I'm just going to make this a part 1 and part 2 kind of series because I kind of feel like ending the video for now. But I hope this is easily understandable. It is to me, and if you sit there and kind of think about what the script is doing, it might make a little bit more sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.